Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change text color on card. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in card, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing text color on card.co is a straightforward process that can significantly impact your website's design and functionality. Now, adjusting text color to create higher contrast with the background can make your content easier to read, especially for users with, visual impairments like a blind color, because you can use different text color to highlight key information. For example, we wanted to change the color of this text. All right, so all you're gonna do is you can use this one, the color name, or you can use the color text. All right, if you're good with hex codes, you might want to do that. But for now, what I'm going to do is copy this, Control C, and paste it here. All right, now I'm gonna change the color for the Andes. I'm gonna press Control X. That's a cut, shortcut for cut. And I'm gonna put it here on under the color text. All right. Or let's do that in reverse. I'm gonna click get the guides and choose the color. It's gonna be color text, and the color name should be around maybe red. You see that? Amazing, right? Now, if you wanted to have multiple colors, of course, you can do with maybe yellow or green, depending on your preferences. All right. This one, for example, I'm gonna get the entire thing of it. No. I'm gonna copy this. And I'm gonna paste it just around here. I'm gonna Control X to cut and put it around here. Okay, and of course I can put it maybe something like yellow to highlight it. You see that one? Now basically you can use different text colors to highlight key information such as headings, calls to actions, or important messages, guiding users' attention effectively. You can align text color with your brand's color scheme. That could help reinforce your brand identity and create a cohesive look throughout your site. Now, I'm going to change this one as well. But what I'm going to do is get all of these around here. I'm going to choose maybe blue. There you go. I'm gonna put in a space, all right, so that everyone can see the text colors that is complementing my overall design, because it can enhance the visual appeal and create a more aesthetically pleasing site. Of course, it's up to you. You can use different colors to differentiate between various types of content or sections, such as this one, the buttons, the text, or links, or promotional text. All right, it's a very straightforward process that could help you to update your site's look for seasonal themes, holidays, or special events. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.